complexity. But if you're happy with this thumbnail, you can click here to download it and it'll be saved to your computer. But if you want your thumbnail to look even better and make it exactly how you want, you can use a prompt to give it more details. So if you're not sure how to write a good prompt, I've given a prompt template in the description below which you can use to get a perfect prompt from ChatGPT. So just copy that and paste it into ChatGPT. Now enter your video title here. Then click here. And it will generate the perfect prompt for you with the necessary details. Once you got the prompt, copy it. Go back to this tab and paste it here. Then click run. And as you can see, this time the thumbnail is even better. You can download it by clicking here. Okay, now we got this thumbnail. But what if you want to add yourself into the thumbnail? You can do that with just a few clicks using an AI to swap the face. So next, let's see how you can swap characters in the thumbnail. To do that, just click the link in the description and it will take you to this tool. Now drag and drop your image here and then upload the thumbnail. And click upload and start. And that's it. You can see that the face has been swapped perfectly. So this is how you can create a thumbnail with AI and then add your face. To download it, just click here and it will be downloaded to your computer. Alright, so now we've seen how to generate a thumbnail and swap faces using two different AI tools. But what if I told you there's one tool that can do all this in a single place? Not only that, you can even recreate any YouTube thumbnail in seconds. To use this tool, just click the link in the description. If you use the link in the description, you'll get access to a special offer. And you can generate up to 100 thumbnails for just $1. Just click try for $1. Now to start using this tool, let's add any changes to it. Next, let's see how you can add your face to this thumbnail. To add your face to this thumbnail, just click here, click upload file, select the image you want, click generate, and there you go. The face is swapped. Now to download this thumbnail, just click here and it will be downloaded to your computer. Let's say you found this thumbnail on YouTube which you liked and you want to create a similar thumbnail for your video. So to recreate this thumbnail, just go back to the tool, click recreate. Here enter the URL of the YouTube video. So let's go to YouTube, get the URL of this video, right click on it and click copy link address. Go back to this page and paste it here. Then select how much you want to match the original thumbnail. I'm going to choose high. And if you want to make any changes, you can mention them here. And then click generate. As you can see, we've got the thumbnail similar to our reference thumbnail. And you can download the thumbnail by clicking here. Okay, so now we have successfully recreated the thumbnail. So that's it guys. Now you know how you can create a thumbnail using AI. Before you go, don't forget to check out Gravity Write for all your content writing needs and WebSpace Kit for a hassle-free website creation. Links for both the tools are in the description below. So make sure you subscribe to Website Learners to see more cool videos like this one. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.